Hello, good morning, guys. How are you doing? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Adela Mike Sunday, and in this video tutorial, what I want to teach you is how to build e-learning website, like an LMS website. And with WordPress, let me specifically say that how you can build a website like Udemy, like any LMS platform any LMS platform, with WordPress. And now another reason why do I want to build this site? Why do I even get motivation for building this site? Okay, I'm a web designer and I got because I'm an experienced web designer. So we have a group of web designer that with different web designer, web developer from different places come together and we form the group. So now there's a question. Someone need a web, want to build the LMS website. So I told the person, oh, you can build it. So this man who is like a mentor to me, I told the person that you can build the site with a WordPress. Can you see? You can see use WordPress to do it. But this man who is like a mentor to me now comment in that same group that no, Oga, you cannot use WordPress to do LMS. This is not design, because this man is a web developer. Why I am not a web developer, I am a web designer. And I've been seeing a lot of things coming up and down that people are saying, oh, there's a limited to what web designer can be true. Yeah, what web designer can do. Yeah, it's true. But I want to tell you very well that if you are very, very good, if you develop yourself as a web designer, you will not be limited to do anything. But if you did not develop yourself, you will be limited to do a lot of things. So let's do something now. Today, we're going to be building that same LMS. And what is the meaning of LMS? Let's start from here. LMS website is like a learning management system. Okay, let me just say an LMS website is a learning management system. It's a site whereby people can come to learn, whereby people can come as a student. They will have their own account. They will, from their own account, they can browse some course that they needed. When they browse some course they needed, they can or enroll for those particular course and start learning on that platform. That is basically what LMS mean. Now let me show you the site I built. You might be concerned about the interface. I don't care. So let's say this. You can browse your course here. You can sign up and register. Now, if you scroll down, you will see so many courses, so many reasons why you should choose our platform. And then if you scroll down, you will see course. You can sign up for the course here by clicking on this particular place. So when you click on this place, it's going to tell you need to create an account and stuff like that. But it's not showing me to create an account. You know why? Because I have already created an account, and this is my account here. I've logged in as a student here now. I can go back to my account again, my dashboard again, so you can see as a student. This is as a student now. Can you see my dashboard, my enroll course, active course, complete course? I can check my profile and the course I have enrolled for. If I have not enrolled for any course, it will tell me no, I've not enrolled for any course. I can go ahead and do what? And enroll for a course. I don't know if you're getting it. So this is it. This is just what it's all about. So I can go to my course just to say, okay, our course. I can decide to enroll for this particular course and view my card because I've actually added to card before. So how do we build all these things? So let me show you how to build all these things, how to, go ahead and do everything. Now, this is a new website right away. And I'm going to show you the front end of the website now. We're going to build in an LMS platform website. And you guys will see by yourself that as a web designer, we can do it together. So let's go ahead. Don't waste much of your time. Now, if you want to build an LMS website, what are the things you need? You need some certain plugin and some certain themes. Now, but let me break it down, and I'm going to be taking you step by step because I want you to understand, and at the same time, I want you to be able to build it perfectly. So the first thing you need to do is to install your themes, and the name of the theme we are going to be using is called. You can use any themes, but for me, I'll be using I've forgotten the name of what I get. I'll show you. So for you to install things, just come to appearance and come to themes. Can you see appearance and come to themes? Let me take away all these things. I don't really like them. They are just disturbing me. Yeah. Please go. I don't need it. So the next thing I'm going to do right away is to go to my appearance and click on themes. Now, when I click on themes, I have two favorite themes, which is Astra and what and Cadence. Yeah, I remember now. Now let's click on add new themes because we want to add a new theme we're going to be using. So the themes I will be using is this Astra. You can decide to use Astra, but I won't be using Astra, and you can decide to use Cadence. So let me go with Cadence. I will click on install. So when I click on install, I will click on activate. Fine. I don't need to install the starter template. The next thing I will go and do now is to install all the plugin I need. I'm going to come to plugin. Let me show you the plugin here. You know, when you install WordPress by default, Ginger will give you some plugin. So let me go and add new plugin now. So guys, here is my new plugin. The first plugin I'll be installing is Elementor. So I can click on install now. Then I can click on this one. I don't really need it. Then I think that's all. Let me install Tutor LMS. That is what I'll be using to do my LMS stuff. Tutor LMS. The plugin for my LMS is Tutor LMS. So I'm going to click on install now, and I'm going to be using. I'll also be using Invato Elements. Although I don't need it because what I need to teach you, what I need to do my home page layout is here. Then what I need to do is to do my own page layout, but I want to show you something, and I'll be using Elementor Pro, but it's not a must. If you need Elementor Pro, please feel free to reach out to me anytime. Feel free to reach out to me. So the next thing now is to install Invato Elements. I'll just be using this Invato element to build the home page, but I will not use it, but I will just show you how to use it. Now and then the next thing is WooCommerce, but I want people to be able to buy something from me. WooCommerce. When they come to my website, they should be able to buy my product. So where is it? It's still loading. This is it. Can you see it here? Click on install. So what I'm going to do now is that, I didn't activate them. I just installed them. The reason is because I don't want to be activating them one by one. I want to activate all of them at once. So I'll come to install plugin now. I will see all the plugin I have installed. Can you see Elementor is here, Invato element is here, Facial add-on is here, Tutor elements is here, WooCommerce is here. What else do I need to install that I have not? So I will untick this and untick this, and I'll click on install at once, activate at once, and apply. So it's going to activate all of them for me. Can you see now that activate all of them? But most time when you click on activate at once, two plugin might not activate. When I mean two plugin, WooCommerce might decide not to activate with all of them. So I will go back to the plugin to see maybe all of the plugin has been activated. Install plugin, like I know that WooCommerce will not join them. If the guy know they agree. So I will now come and activate him personally here now. Activate. So when I click on activate here now, so it's going to activate, and then we can go ahead. Fine, it has been activated. Good. Now the next thing that I need to do is to do some certain setting on what? Let me do some certain setting. We want to build a site whereby people can come and they will register. So you will see, in fact, immediately you install Tutor Element, you will see a warning and say, please go and enable also so that people can be able to register. So I'm going to go to setting here and click on general. Let's start the setting here. So general here, I might call it deleting e-learning. I can just call it we build the future. I don't know. Nothing is coming. The future of our students. We give the best. We build the future of our students. Sorry, nothing is coming to my head. You can then you can use anything in your own case. So after that, can you see you need to tick a membership. Click anyone can register. Click on save changes. Now, after you have done this, I won't be using Elementor Pro again because I don't want to bombard you with, heavy stuff. I just want you to be able to do it. I just want you to be able to do it in a professional way, which I'll be showing you how to go about that. So the next thing I'll be going to be showing you right away now is, okay, let's create our page first. Our page, we have so many pages we need to create. So I'm going to come to page, and I'm just create one page. All page. Now, by default, if you install tutor LMS, you will see some pages like dashboard, instructor registration, my and student registration. Now, by default, if you install WooCommerce, you will see cart, checkout. Can you see cart here? Checkout, shop, refund, all those blah blah blah. So fine. Now, the only page I want to create, in your own case, you can create home page, about us page, contact us page. The home is where they will see everything about your store, while the about us page is where they will get to learn about this particular platform. What is the goal? What is the vision of this particular platform? Why the contact us is, if anybody want to reach out to you, maybe they are trying to register on your platform and they feel like, oh, something is going on wrong, they want to reach out to you. But then for the sake of this tutorial, I will not be creating about us page because I feel like it's not really necessary for me. I'm just creating this for learning thing for you, and I will not be creating contact us page. Everybody have my number. Okay, in case you don't have my number, I'm going to be giving you my number. It's 09035382271. So let's continue. Now what I'm going to do right away now is I'm going to click on add new page. So when I click on add new page, I'm going to do something to make it faster. And but then let's wait for it to load. As we are waiting, I would like to tell you something, that Jesus really loves you and he cares much about your life. Please, 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 if you have not given your life to Christ, please, I will advise you to please do so, and the Lord will be with you. So let's continue. So I'm going to close out of here, and I'm going to come here and type home. It should help me. And I'm going to come to this place, change it from default template to Elementor full width, and click on publish. Publish again. I hope you are getting it. Fine. So let me go back over here. Let me just leave here. Let me go and continue my settings. So I'll come back to setting again. If I've created the page now, I'll come to setting and I'll come to reading. Now what I want to do in this reading, I want to make sure that my home page is set to my home page, because immediately we install that template, look at our home page has been moved from home page to post page. So let me refresh so you will see. So let's wait for it. Can you see now? Our home page has been moved to post page. So let me come back here and do the needful. So I'm going to click on a static page and I'll select home page as home. Yeah, fine. And I'll click on save changes. I hope you are getting me. Please, if you're not getting me, just take a pen, just keep following me. Now the next thing I want to do now is I want to create a menu. I want to have a menu here. If you look at it, I just have all this thing here. No, it's not really making it professional. It's not really making it. So I'm going to come back here and I'm going to come to create a menu. I'm going to click on appearance. I'm going to click on menu. Click on your menu here. So you create a new menu. So I'm going to create a new menu. I'm going to call it main menu. Main menu. Let me just pick this here, and I'm going to click it on primary and mobile, and click on create menu. So I'm going to add what I want, the page I want. Number one page, I don't need home page again because I've turned my home page to my normal page. So for you to know that I've turned my home page to my normal page, that anybody that comes to my website now, before this is where they'll be landing. But now since I've turned my home page at the static page, so by the time I refresh here now, it will change to my home page. So I don't need to put my home page on the menu box again here. So I will just come to my menu bar and I will pick instructor, student, dashboard, and it should be one which is courses, but I will not do that now. I will need to create some courses before I do that. So I'm going to click on add to menu. So I'm going to click on okay, I'm going to click on save changes now. Fine. So by the time you come here now, instead of seeing your website being empty in here, you refresh, you're gonna see some things there right away now. Can you see now? Fine. Okay. Like I said, don't worry about how the page look like. No, don't worry about that. Just pay attention. So let me just show you one thing. Let me go to my virtual image. Where is it? Where is it? Click on template kit. Can you see it? Click on it. Well, by the time you click on it, go to page number 8. You know, we are on free kit. We are on free one, and okay, if you are not saying this premium, don't bother yourself, just come to free kit, because like I said, everything we're going to be using is free. Go to template number 8, just go down, come to this number, and wait. I think that is this number should be okay. Come to number 8. Yeah, number 8 is where the magic is. So you can use this template. Yeah, this is template. You can use it, you can install it, and you know, follow. When you install it, let me show you something. I'm not going to be using it, but I just want to show you something. I've installed it now. Let me view it. Can you see? You need to install the requirement plugin, and out of the requirement is, if you click on install requirement, it will show you Elementor Pro. But you know, I won't be using Elementor Pro. If you need Elementor Pro, you can reach out to me. I'll be giving you latest Elementor Pro, not for free. But I won't charge you. I will just tell you to pay any amount you have. So that is just me. I don't charge people. I tell them just pay the amount you have. So you can get to see the home, the about, everything, blah blah blah. So you can feel like, okay, I need this home page. You can view it if you like it, and you can import it. You can view it also. You can view the about us. This is the tutorial, place. If you like it, you can install it. For me, I'm not using them. Let me just focus. So I'm not using them. So let me close out of here. Since I'm not using them, I will show you how to go about yours. So come to your pages and let's view the page. Let me come here now, so that we can start working on something.